In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Wise customer support. Phone, chat, email. Let's make this simple and stress-free. The fastest way to reach Wise is through their Help Center. Open your browser and go to wise.com help or open the Help section in the Wise app. Before you do anything else, sign into your Wise account. Being logged in helps Wise recognize your profile and region, which unlocks the most relevant contact options and speeds up verification if you need to talk to a person. Once you're in, use the search bar at the top to describe your issue in plain language. Type a few specific keywords like card not working, transfer delayed, or update personal details. This brings up frequently asked questions and troubleshooting guides. Take a moment to open the article that best matches your situation. Wise's articles are designed to solve the most common problems quickly, and following them can often save you time. If the article doesn't resolve your issue, look for the Contact Support button within that help page. Clicking it will reveal the available support channels for your account and location. You may see live chat, a support form to email the team, and in some regions, a phone option or a callback request. Choose the method that suits your urgency and preferences. Chat is great for quick back and forth questions. The support form is ideal if you need to explain your case in detail or attach screenshots. Phone, where available, can help with time-sensitive matters. Before you reach out, gather the essentials so you don't have to go back and forth. Have your transfer reference, the last 4 digits of your card if it's a card issue, and a short summary of what's happened and when. If you're submitting a form, be concise but complete, and attach clear screenshots where helpful. Avoid sharing sensitive information like full card numbers, full IDs, or passwords. Wise never needs your password, and keeping details minimal but precise protects your account. If chat is available, stay signed in and keep the app or browser tab open until an agent joins. If you're using the form or email, watch your inbox, including your spam folder for follow-ups. Response times can vary depending on volume and your region, so checking the Help Center first is always the quickest starting point. That's it. Go to wise.com/help, log in, search for your issue, and when you need more help, select Contact Support inside the relevant article to open chat, email, or phone options where available.